Quick little update on the knife project here. I've been filming throughout the process and do plan on putting together a longer kind of start to finish video of the journey, but this is the progress so far on the handle scales. We're machining 3/8 thick G10 and it's going really well. This is the roughing here. Okay, now this here is the finishing. The handle scale on the right there that you can't really see is kind of 3D rough machined, and then this is the finishing strategy, and it's going really well. They're not really big step overs. I do about 5-10 minutes of water sanding, and they start coming out really smooth and nice. I think you'll see a shot later in the video. So this is like a morphed spiral finishing toolpath coming in here. I use SolidWorks, HSM Works plugin in SolidWorks. Yeah, and so far so good. The G10 is machining really nicely. This is a 1/4 inch end mill, 60 thou bullnose on it. This is the on the bottom of the frame here is kind of the fixture off the machine, and this is the raw finish of the G10 that you're seeing here. The two above the fixture are going to be bolted on next for the next two knives. So these are kind of 3 loosely assembled knives finished. The bottom one was polished for about 10 minutes, kind of WD-40 water sanding style finish, and the handles didn't come out perfect because I sanded them when they were off the blade. So these next two I oversized 10th thou, and I'm going to try to bring them down to the same size as the blade. Haven't done heat treat yet. They're also going to go through a cold blue process and obviously a sharpening, but they're coming out so far so good. I think the next ones are, I'll do another little batch of 3 probably. The blade is going to change shape. I'm happy with the finish. I'm really happy with the finish actually, and I don't know how much hand sanding that's going to take to polish out. I might just, so that top knife there, that's a glass bead finish. It's kind of corroded since I've glass beaded it, but yeah, I'm going to experiment with cold bluing a glass bead and, you know, cold bluing a hand finished surface and see what the difference is. I've got kind of no idea what to expect. These are the machining fixtures, top one's for the blades and the bottom one is for the handle scales. And so far so good. Stay tuned hopefully for maybe some kind of a little heat treat video and sort of a more complete version of this to come.